Understanding the concept of project levels is essential to use SketchList 3D for your woodworking plans and projects. SketchList projects are structured as hierarchies. A project has at least 2 levels and may contain 4. The project is at the highest level of the hierarchy. It is the overall container of your design, and projects can only contain assemblies. The number of assemblies you use depends on your design requirements, how you organize your product, and space limitations. Also, first considerations of access to the job site and restrictions in transport come into play. Boards are the lowest level objects and the most frequently used building blocks. They are used to build assemblies, drawers, doors, and hardware. Inserting, locating, and sizing of containers and boards will be covered in another video. There are other videos explaining how to create and use containers. This video intends to explain the relationships between them. Let's get started on your woodworking plans and projects. Free trial available at www.sketchlist.com.